If you are in a saturated niche and having a hard time breaking through the competition and struggling to get sales, make sure to watch this video until the end. One way to ensure long-term success and beat your competition is to focus on making each customer worth more to you. And this can be done by encouraging them to buy more from you with upsells, cross-selling, and providing excellent customer service. Now, the main objective is how can you get them to become a repeated customer and eventually turn them into raving fans. And there are a few things that you could do to take your shop from struggling to consistent sales. So tip number one is, let's say that you specialize in hand-painted mugs. You could offer a discount on a second mug purchase. This is an easy way to encourage them, right, to buy from you. Tip number two is maybe you could offer a free coaster with each order. By finding ways to add value for your customers, you will have them coming back for more. Tip number three is offer exclusive discounts and promotions. By offering exclusive discounts and promotions specifically for your past customers, this incentive will make them feel appreciated for their loyalty and encourage them to continue supporting your business. Etsy shoppers are passionate about finding unique items, supporting small businesses, and building relationships with the sellers they buy from. By following these tips, you can turn your Etsy shoppers into lifelong fans who will support your business for years to come. Have questions? Drop them below, and thanks for watching.